Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Samriddhi and I'm now back with the second cue card. So as I told you that I'm going to start a series of cue card, and in my previous video I have shared about the polluted city cue card, and in that video I completely described about the details that how to attempt a cue card, and you can visit or see that video for proper details. And now I'm back with the day 2 cue card. As you can see on the screen, so the today's cue card topic is describe a time when a family member asked for your help. So you have to describe that time or that situation or that circumstance when a family member of yours demanded a help. And you have to address these questions like when it was, who asked for help, how you helped, and how you felt after that. Okay, so we have to address this cue card. And as I mentioned that in my previous video, I have shared the technique to attempt the cue card. So I would request all the visitors and viewers, my subscribers, to view that video, because in that video I've completely described the technique or the way how to attempt the cue card. First of all, in this video again I would like to repeat that do not directly jump into these questions asked, like these follow-up questions are, do not directly jump into it. Try to fetch a keyword and then define that keyword, make a strong foundation and a background statement, and then later on start addressing the questions. So this will give you an idea like how to start the cue card. For example, in this cue card, our keyword is family or family member or even health. So with these keywords, we can start a cue card. For example, what is the role of the family in our life, and what is the how one should help and all. You can define even the helping attitude and how one should inculcate the habit of helping others. So this is how you can start it. So stay tuned to the last of the video. We are going to discuss this cue card with some unique ideas. So guys, let's start with this cue card. As I told you that first step is to select the keyword and make a background statement. So you have to select the keyword from the cue card and make a background statement. For example, here I have chosen the keyword as help or even act of help or how helping is beneficial. Means you have to select one word or any keyword that appeals to you in that cue card, and around which whole cue card is there. So you have to select one keyword and define it into your own words, make a good foundation and a very you can say that impressive starting statement or hook statement. So you have to make this. For example, first one is help is an act of kindness, and it represents that we as a human must care for other human. So we should care for other human and help is act of kindness. You can start like this. Even you can start with this statement. Helping is a generous activity, means it is a noble activity that not only keeps the faith of humanity intact. Intact means unbroken, means not broken. So it keeps the faith of humanity intact, but also spread the vibes of love and positivity all around. Hence, every human being should inculcate the attitude of helping or serving the society. So this is the statement you can make to start this type of cue card. Inculcate is to absorb or imbibe, मीन्स कैसे वो चीज कैसे वो एटीट्यूड को पैदा कर सकते हैं, दैट इज इनकलकेट. So this is how we can make the statements. Even you can start like this. Well, living in a closely knitted family. आप अपनी फैमिली के बारे में भी बता सकते हैं. So living in a closely knitted family, we always inculcate or imbibes the trait of cooperation, or helping others. So living in a closely knitted family means in a very close or a joint family, one always learn how to inculcate or absorb or imbibes the attitude of helping and cooperation. And hence, when some of our closed one or a family member is in trouble, we can't deny to help, or we cannot deny to help. In fact, it is our responsibility to come up front to help them. So you can start like this also. So these kind of lines will support you and will make a very good start and foundation. So I recommend always the step one is to make a firm background statement. So with these statements, you can take an idea and even you can make yours also. Now let us move to the second step. So now second step is add a mandatory sentence and begin with the question asked. Means now you have to add a mandatory line. When you have given a basic foundation to the cue card, then add this line. For example, here I would like to talk about a situation or a time or a circumstance when I had to help my younger brother. So by this you covered the question of who asked. Means you are giving the examiner an idea that you have there was a time when you helped your younger brother. And even before this you can mention such kind of lines like being elder in my family, or even you can start with this line: being elder in my family, I'm always in demand when my young ones need help, and I really love to do anything for them. So this is how you can start the cue card even. And here I would like to talk about a situation when I had to help my younger brother or younger sister or anyone in your family you can mention. Now, when you helped, you have to mention that, and what sort of help you did, you have to do that. So here I have made a story regarding this, and you can make even your story. For example, a situation when I had to help my younger brother. He was doing bachelor's in law and he was facing problem, or even you can use this word encountering. Encountering means facing. So he was facing or encountering the problem in the subject of Indian polity and constitution. So you can give any other subject or any other domain in which you helped your family member. It can be in some personal matter, it can be in some studies matter, or any other application or assignment you have done for your family member. So it can be anything. So now moving further, I have to tell that even the final exam was about to approach in just few days, and he came with a giant or a bulky or a mammoth or gigantic huge book of the mentioned subject and pleaded for help or assistance. So all the words which are highlighted, you can use it as a synonym, and they will be helpful to you not only in speaking but also in writing. So this is how you can start the story. So although I am from a science background, but still I have read about Indian political affairs and its historical background. So I decided to sit down with him and help him learning the syllabus. So this is a basic starting. Now we have to move to the other questions because we have to add the details, and our cue card should be of maximum 2 minutes, so that and we should have sufficient material to speak up. Now next step is make a relevant story and address all the questions. So see, now our focus is to address the questions or all the questions that are asked, and in a very connecting way, so that the examiner do not get bored or feel alienated that you are answering some part of the question but not all. So you just have to connect your answers, and for that it is always advisable that you should give examples and real life examples, because it will arouse the interest of the examiner, and he will be more mesmerized, or you can say that more active to listen your story. So you just have to engage your examiner For that, you have to make a very good story and a very linked story with examples. So now let's start with our story. So in order to make him learn, or you can say that making him learn is a very daunting task or Herculean task. See, Herculean is the word. Herculean means a very difficult task. You can use this word. So making him learn is a very daunting or Herculean or difficult task, but I managed somehow as I made him understand the subject by giving the current example that what was going in the country then. So you can use such kind of lines like I helped my brother or sister in the studies, and I made that subject which was very daunting for him, and I made that subject very easier by adding the current examples or by relating the current scenario so that he or she can understand the subject very easily. So you can modify this line also. The next is what I did to help him. So, secondly, first is I already mentioned that I helped him understand the subject by the help of the current example. And secondly is we made charts. You can say that we made colorful charts for all the useful and important articles that can be asked by the examiner. And I made a rhyme scheme to memorize the articles of law. So I have chosen the subject of law and I have written the technique of help according to it. And it's quite optional. You can choose any subject and you can use your own techniques how you helped your family member. For instance, he crammed the article of 377 with the ongoing LGBT, that means lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender rights. So at that time, this was a very hot topic. So I have chosen this topic because I helped him to learn the main or this controversial topic actually. So not only this, I took his test every evening so that he can score well in the exam and don't mix up the learnt articles. Last but not the least, see guys, connectors are very important. So what I did, it was firstly, then it was secondly, and now it is last but not the least. So last but not the least, I also made relevant notes for him and taught him about the importance of representation in the exam. So this is the story you can cook or you can make for your examiner, and it should be very linked. Finally, on the day of exam, when he came home after attempting the paper of Indian polity, he was wearing a deep and broad smile. So you can answer like this also, like how your help proved to be very beneficial for him. So he was wearing a very deep and broad smile, means he was very happy and contented. His exam went beyond my expectations as he scored 80% in it. So this is how you can conclude. So this time I was on cloud nine, or I was very happy, I was extremely happy, and I was in the air. So these are all the synonyms to express your happiness, and really felt deeply contented, satisfied, gratified as my assistance brought success for him. So you can use such kind of words like deeply contented, satisfied, gratified. So these are the words that you felt very peaceful and you felt satisfied because you helped your brother or sister. So such kind of words you can use in this type of cue card. Now last is how to conclude your cue card, how to sum up. And it is always advised that end up with a genuine conclusion, or even in these kind of cue cards where the cue card or the topic is related to some kind of help or any societal problem, you can give your suggestion also. For example, I have done this for you. Overall, helping always bring our soul at peace or serenity or tranquility. So these are the synonyms of peace. serenity and tranquility. It means peace, calm all around. And render, provide, render or give immense pleasure. So how you can conclude is, overall the helping activity or the act of helping is quite noble, that it satisfies our soul and brings a lot of pleasure that is above all the worldly means or things. So I would really like to spread the message that every individual should believe in the strength of humanity and should nurture it by helping the person in trouble. Or you can simply say that everyone should help others in order to promote the values of humanity. So this is how we can attempt a cue card. I have tried my best to make you understand some new words and even ideas, even very unique ideas. Please comment in the comment section below, or what kind of things else I can do for you. And please provide me suggestions. Your feedback is welcome by me. Thanks guys for listening this. Stay connected. I will be sharing some more ideas, some more cue cards and topics with you. Thank you so much.